You get me?
Man, no.
Yeah.
If I'm the only fucker that noticed that.
I think you are, man. I think you
One
are.
more, no. Leave in the comment section, guys, if any other reactors put that out there. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. I'm next to Platinum. Platinum had a text. I don't know why my text, but he my text. Big up himself. Guys, we're here. We are reacting to this Fire in the Boat. This Fire in the Boat is Deno. Deno, big up yourself, my G. Me never get to react to your last song for some reason, but we are here with this one. Fire in the Boat Part 2. Guys, also, if you want to see me react to Deno last song when drop, I forgot the name of it. Let me know and I'll do it in the comment section. Let me know and I'll do it. So, this is Fire in the Boat Part 2. So, let's go. We are reacting. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's be on cue it.
He's on fire!
He's on fire!
I know you're gonna dig this.
Oh, yeah.
He'll hear. Perfect.
Oh man, it's got to that all.
Look here again. Kick game. You see kick game?
Wow, I swear, why are we the only people not in kick game right now?
What's that? A sneaker shop? A trainer
Yeah,
shop?
exclusive sneaker shop. Bro, I was in Birmingham. When I was in Birmingham, it's another bigger, kind of big city outside London, half an hour from Oxford, maybe. So it was like, yeah, there was like I think it was, I don't know if it was exclusive open, if it just opened that weekend, but bro, the line was mad. I mean,
Yeah.
the line turned my stomach. I was like, nah, not signing in. I want to go in.
Me not pay if I go spend my money. Me not line up if I go spend my money. Think me idiot? No. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
An important time of the show. Once again, my favorite part of the show: Fire in the Booth. And
Charlie,
today we got something special, something spectacular. My boy Deno, he's just dropped his brand new album, Boy Meets World. Already, it's only been out for a minute, but it's classic. So I thought, you know what? We both love sneakers. Kick game always.
Oh shit, is that where he is?
Oh damn! They shut down the whole of kick game.
Charlie said I got one bag of fucking from me there, dog. Charlie, big up yourself, my G. But you going run bag of fucking. Me see you drop one drink. What me react to with you?
Hey,
You with gigs and Big Nasty the Ninja.
nigga D.
Missy, I know you come lot of people in them shop, Charlie.
Boy.
Big up yourself, Charlie.
Sure.
Right there, we are though.
So this goes to the #1 sneaker spot and make it a special ordeal. And that's what we're about to do.
It sounds like he's been
You know what
drinking
time it is when you
like
hear this, right?
Now
That's it.
it's time to rumble.
You know, who does Charlie remind you of somewhat? I'm gonna tell you who Charlie remind me of. And you're gonna probably say yeah.
Go on.
DJ Khaled. him do the most, dog. You know that?
Like UK DJ Khaled.
Yeah,
That's
into
how
the
he's
most.
moving now. The levels. That's how
Me
he's
like
moving.
it though. Me like
That's
it.
his moving.
Me
I
like
think
it.
because, but then I feel like Charlie, he's less on the antics. He's got that English in him, that English swag in it.
Me like
We're
it.
a bit more serious.
Me like it.
yeah, no, but he's a boss same way, man. Big up
Alright,
Charlie.
then. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'm on Charlie. Boy Meets World up right now. Let's go. Back on.
Sample.
I'm a survivor.
Destiny's Child, I'm a survivor. That sample's that hard.
Pick up Destiny Child and them soldier and them camouflage. So me like them 3 girls.
Can we shout out the fact is Jumper as well? Official merchandise.
With them can't see it on the screen. Them can't see it on the
Oh,
screen
right,
because of the thing.
Alright, it says official
Yeah.
merchandise for the album. That's dope.
Drill.
They shut down the whole of the world, man.
Yo. Spent 5 racks when I go on a date. She said, raw, but what's it, babe? Nova covered an IG model. Keep an eye out for the gossip page.
The growth in another brother, yeah. Me just want to mention this first. The growth in him, me first start listening to him when Cadet did a par. R.I.P. Cadet. Legend. R.I.P. Michi. The growth from then, from school to this. The man just said me spend 5 racks when I go up on a date. Deno,
Wow.
where you buy? Deno, which restaurant you go? Deno, which hotel you go after the restaurant? Like, what you do if you spend 5 racks, brother?
Bro, we went Hakkasan. Went to some Hakkasan or Noble or some place like that. Musty.
Oh, what?
Gee.
5 grand for that? For me, is I carry that to blood clot.
Oh.
Yeah?
Man, let me get love in the borough. Come like the light in a place of shade. Boy meets world, man. Just drop the tape. I'm back in the booth. Got prove it again.
This was written for this.
Yeah.
This was written for this.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm back in the booth. Let's prove it again.
Yes.
This was written especially for this. Talent.
A survivor, don't need to sign up, still get put on the lineup. Got my eyes on the Lizzie the second while you're watching Lizzie McGuire. Or I might go higher, higher and higher, light up the coal on the fire.
Yeah, that.
Explain.
Right, so Lizzie McGuire is our Disney show on it used to be a Disney show about like a little blonde girl, innit? Like a blonde schoolgirl. I never watched it myself. That's all I remember about it. But obviously he's saying, I've been doing my Dean where you man been watching some
Lizzie McGuire
on Disney Channel.
Big up Lizzie McGuire. We're not styling.
So I think this is important because obviously we discovered him from when he was young. You know, those who don't know, he went viral with he was singing with a friend. It was a duo when he first come about, and he was singing with a friend. He was young. He was still in school.
It's magic though.
And he went super viral, and he's been just going viral and built up his fan base from young. So again, this goes into the whole branding of Boy Meets World, and also, you know, where he's like referencing, you know, you're watching Lizzie McGuire, showing that he's a man, or you know, on this child stuff. He's separating the gap. He's different from you lot. Straight. Yeah. So,
also, come on to my desk. Come on, that boy. All right. If you want to pause it, don't be afraid to pause it. Just pause it. Blood clot if you see something. Right.
Treat me like Messiah, belling my line up like Idris on the wire. I keep it.
Him line up like Idris on the wire. The wire. You watch a series there?
Badman show.
That is one of the baddest series me ever watch.
Ever.
One of the baddest series, not the one. One of the baddest. Top 3 baddest. And for some reason, Netflix take it off. Netflix sucking the mother for that. But I don't want to watch it again because one time I watch it, I'm much younger.
Yeah.
So I want to watch it to get a better understanding now because I'm older now. So I get a better understanding now. Yeah. Netflix take it off. Netflix sucking the mother. Can somebody put the link of wish I can get that series that you watch, the full series? I think 7 seasons. Put it in the comment section for me down below so someone can watch it, please. Netflix again, suck your mother again, man. Moving the blood clot. Me angry with them. Vex, cross, angry.
Bro like Trunks and Philly, all about making P like Diddy. 18 with a 21 plate, when back in the day I had dreams of a mini. I feel like I misunderstood.
18 with a 21 plate, you get that?
Yeah. Dreams of a mini.
Alright, so
yeah,
so it's I say I'm 18, but I'm a 21 plate car.
Yeah.
You see me? 2021 plate car. Back then, him have dream of a Mini Cooper.
I ate us, I've been on the drug. One-way flight, book it tonight. West Norwood to Hollywood. Since day, 100 for the millions. Can't live as an average civilian. Heartbreaker, come like I'm giving on. What do you want to put to the test? What I'm really on. Do road.
Heartbreaker, come like I'm Giveon. Giveon's an artist, have a bad tune called Heartbreak Anniversary. So yeah, that's the reference there.
Better get shimmy on. How you hitting when you haven't got a Jimmy on? Do road, better get shimmy on. Now you got pay.
How you hitting if you ain't got a Jimmy on?
Condom. Hold on now.
Boy, that boy bad, you know.
Hold on. Who say where they say them that eat it raw?
Yeah, that mean with no condom, right?
Yeah. You remember the guy that was in Russ Millions them remix?
Yeah. So do you reckon that's a subset man like RV?
Me not think so, no, brother. But
I ain't wearing no Johnny.
Yeah. So if him say that no,
yo, run it back.
Me run it back.
Road, better get shimmy on. How you hitting when you haven't got a Jimmy on?
You see what I come from?
Yo,
am I the only one to pick this up, guys?
I feel that might be a sub, you know.
If I'm the only one to pick this up, guys, let me know. But I don't see no reason why him would have any beef with my boy.
Well, I don't think. Do you know what? This is the thing. This is my thing with people sometimes when they say when they hear a sub like that. None of mean say they have beef, but it's a little jab, innit? It's a little fix up yourself, my G. And it couldn't just mean for him. Obviously, it will be.
I would say it.
Huh?
Who did sing the part there?
RV. You know, RV. Yeah.
RV sing it? And the white dude sing it?
Yeah. I mean, RV's obviously he's buzzing. It's on his thing right now. He's bust because of that remix, that one infamous line that's gone viral.
Yeah.
And you know what I mean. But you know, it's a little sub, it's a little jab. But that doesn't mean say they have beef. You know what I mean? It's the sportsmanship of the genre. You get me?
If I'm the only fucker that noticed that.
I think you are, man. I think you are.
One more, no. Leave in the comment section, guys, if any other reactors put that out there.
That was dope.
Say, him gonna eat it raw, and then my boy say, yo, oh yeah, eat if you have a Jimmy on. that just seem too close for me. It close. It close like bumper, rash pan skin, man. It close like black in the face. It close, man.
I think I went over a lot of people's heads.
It close like the white with up on the rice. It close, brother. It close.
This day, 100 for the millions. Can't live as an average civilian. Heartbreaker, come like I'm giving you on. What they wanna put to the test, what I'm really on. Do road, better get shimmy on. How you hitting when you haven't got a Jimmy on? Do road, better get shimmy on. Now you gotta pay for the use of the one. I'm trying to rack up.
No, you have to pay for the use when you don't want. It's continuing from the Jimmy on thing, you know.
Yeah.
In the Russ Millions them remix reaction when me say, when him say him gonna eat it right, I say, brother, you gonna breed it. Yeah, you gonna breed her. So him gonna say, yo, no, you gonna pay for the youth we never want. Try maintenance.
Yeah. Up a bolo, don't do free clothes for promo. I've been grinding on my get shimmy on. How you hitting when you haven't got a Jimmy on? Do road, better get shimmy on. Now you gotta pay for the use of the one. I'm trying to rack up a bolo. Don't do free clothes for promo. I've been grinding on my solo.
I don't do free costs for promo.
Don't do free for promo. So he's not.
He's about his money.
Yeah. He's at that level now. You know what I mean? Like I said, boy meets raw now. He's a man out here.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? No promoters can ring him and be like, yo, why you did this show?
Him can finally go into the club without ID.
Yeah.
Well, him have him ID now. It's my 18.
Our first results was a no-show. From a place where it's no-go, no Cuban changes to chokehold. Ooh, the streets them are so cold. Ooh, the streets them are so cold. I'm a survivor, don't need to sign up. Still get put on the lineup. Got my eyes on the Lizzie the second while you're watching Lizzie McGuire. Or I might go higher and higher. Light up the coal on the fire. Treat me like Messiah, belling my lineup like Idris on the wire.
Yeah. So come like a chorus now.
Cadet, proud of your dog. Cadet, right now, you're not even a look down on you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of the growth where I see, dog. I know that. Cadet proud of you, my fam. Deno Cadet proud of you. Hear that?
Yeah, my God.
Come on. You already know what it is. Boy, me sword out now. Jeez. Charlie. On the next one, man.
Ready now?
He's heating up.
Boy, me sword out now. Yes, Charlie.
We showing the world what's good right now.
Gotta talk the truth sometimes, you know what I'm saying?
You can feel it.
It's gonna be a real one.
You can feel it. Hold on. You can feel that one. You can feel that one already.
Let's go.
I wanna thank you, God, I am so grateful for you. I bought my mom a yard and you enabled me to. I don't trust a lot, I think it's noticeable. I've been snaked by brothers that I've known since school.
Give the man a round of applause, man. Give the man a round of applause, man. The man said, listen, I bought my mother a yard, brother.
Yeah. Boys, mama, yard. How many 18-year-olds you know?
Buy the mother a yard.
I say that.
That.
Boy, you know what I mean? For real. Mad. You see him? He's got no VVS, no chain on right now. Probably owns some, but he's not wearing that right now. But he's stating right now, his biggest flex is like, boys, mama, yard, bro. One of the first things.
Mortgage free.
Straight.
Paranoia, familiar with the feeling. My nigga tried to rob me in the night when I was sleeping. Could've had some goons up at his house by the evening. He wasn't worth the hassle or the stress, I had to leave him.
Whoa, okay. So I tried to tell everybody it was a Stephen, you know. I wonder who that was.
I not much to say. G, you're still here. Big up yourself, my fam.
Paranoia, familiar with the feeling. My nigga tried to rob me in the night when I was sleeping. Could've had some goons up at his house by the evening. He wasn't worth the hassle or the stress, I had to leave him. It's a cold world we live in. Only finds a place where you be looking for your women. Everybody living for the gram, it's for the image. You gotta show diamonds to the world to show you're winning.
Bro, I swear down, this is one of the coldest things I've heard Deno ever speak and put out, fam. This is hard. I feel it, bro. I even feel the pain in his bars, for real. And I hope, obviously I don't know who the guy he's talking about. He said his brethren tried to rob him. I hope it's not who I think it is.
Who do you think it is?
Because remember when he first come out, he was a duo with another brother, innit? That's how they got discovered. And now he's solo. Maybe it's probably just natural progression in it, because obviously, let's not get it twisted, Deno had the talent.
And the drive,
because that's why Deno's one place and the next brother, we don't know where he is. No, disrespect to him. He's probably doing this thing elsewhere. He's probably working or whatever, but Deno has carried on with what he's doing. So I'm just hoping that the person that he's referencing that tried to rob him in his sleep, his brethren, wasn't
that guy. Yeah.
If you know anything that we don't know, drop it in the comments.
Yeah. Dog.
Tell all the rappers and the haters watch your back. Drizzy coming up and he's ready for an attack. Coming like Bailey boss in the shots, I got the Mac. Never let it go over your head, I said no cap. I got a call last night from a guy, he told me get him. A call last night from the bag, I gotta get it. A call last night, it was coming from above. A call last night that I gotta run it up.
Who called him last night?
Boy, that must be the brother Cadet.
That me, I think. That me, I think.
Rest in peace, Cadet.
A call from above.
Underrated legend, bro.
What me just telling you, Cadet pro that you see that the man reference Cadet. You can't understand Cadet.
That I gotta run it up. That I gotta run it up.
Singing up.
He's on fire.
Cause Jake say be patrolling, they wanna see us patrolling with guns and other weapons. They really just want us on the wing. My brother lost his brother, they wanna see him be over with. Life sentence to his head, they got him screaming, free my journal, oh free my brother. Summertime approaching, he can't even see the weather. Life is
right now, I'm just glued to the screen, bro. I forgot to pause it. I forgot to pause it, bro. Shit, bro.
We're just feeling just the atmosphere is somber right now, man. We're just feeling
this. I want the realest fire in the boat. There's plenty out there, but this up there with me.
Yeah.
It's up there with the tops of the tops.
He's definitely set the tone. He's shown growth.
Shit, man.
Struggle.
It's going by, he's losing faith in life endeavors. When you hit your rock bottom, make it only just get better. Free my journal, oh, free my brother. Summertime approaching, he can't even see the weather. Time is going by, he's losing faith in life endeavors. When you hit your rock bottom, make it only just get better.
Perfect.
Boy, me swallowed out now. My debut mixtape. Run it up. Love.
So I hope you enjoyed that, Frank.
Brother. Where do I start
You've
now?
been kind of quiet on it.
I've been quiet, brother.
Yeah, you're still taking it in.
When something like this hit me, bro,
Yeah.
it give a lot of emotion. You know why? Because I feel everything what the man say in the second song.
Yeah.
Every fucking thing what I'm saying in the second song, I feel it.
Yeah.
Because it a come from off like bottom of my heart, brother. You see me? Me feel everything, dog. So it a go hit me and it a go silent me, dog. That's why I just know that send for the last couple of 2 pause and my pause.
Yeah. For real. I hear
Fucking hell, dog.
That's story, man.
The growth, Deno, big up yourself, dog. Brother, big up yourself, dog. People, if you don't get the mixtape, you'll get it, dog. Support the thing.
Yeah, for real.
The fact that he bought his mother yard too, the youth do good for himself.
Trust me.
So right now, yo, him one of the most humblest rapper I see. Him not floss, him not showing no bling, him not showing no money, him not showing nothing. Him just show him talent. Him just show him talent, dog. And I don't know. That song just leave me speechless, bro. I don't know.
That was dope. That was one of the hardest fire in the booth I've heard.
For a long time.
Big up Deno. Make sure you pre the mixtape Boy Meets World. Yeah. Sucker off there.
Big up, Charlie.
Charlie stuff, yeah, big up yourself.
Guys, this is how we're gonna end the one, yeah.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself, we're out, man. Shit.